Alright, go for it.
Turn that shit the other way. Fuck that. Oh my, this way. Damn, fool, you exaggerating, dog. You're putting a lot, fool.
For real. Shit.
Oh my, this way. Oh, fuck out of here. I'll go here, fool. I'll be back. Just in case, you never know.
Woo! So cold.
Ah, you should have showed it on camera to see how cold it was.
Oh, there's ice on it.
Damn. Alright, now it's time for the trick.
Oh, fuck that.
That's what the okay, cool.
Last time it blew up. Last time my hand was on fire. I got a free shave. Oh, what? I've been looking for this. Shit.
Free shave.
I'm gonna do something cool. Ha! Yeah, right. Burn my whole face. My whole face. Jeez, Louise.
I can believe that thing is. That shit's still going.
You gonna send me some lives, please?
Yeah, I'll send you one right now.
Gotta wait 6 minutes for one live.